Today, Chameleon sneezed a lot.
Once upon a time, there was a little chameleon named Charlie. Charlie was very special because he didn't just change colors, he sneezed colors. One sunny morning, Charlie woke up with a tickle in his nose. He waddled outside into his garden, looked at the bright green grass, and felt a sneeze coming on. Ah, choo. Charlie sneezed a giant cloud of red dust. Suddenly, all the grass in the garden turned bright red. A cow was chewing on the grass and looked down, confused. Moo! Whoever heard of red grass? It looks like spaghetti sauce. Charlie felt terrible. Oops, he said. I better fix that. But before he could, he felt another tickle. He looked up at the big, warm sun. Choo, splat. Charlie sneezed a glob of purple slime. It hit the sun right in the middle. Now, the whole sky was glowing purple. A bird sitting on a tree, wearing sunglasses, said, "Tweet, tweet, why is the sun dark like a grape? I can't get a tan under a grape." Charlie was getting worried. He tried to hold his nose, but the sneezes were too strong. He looked at a delicious, crunchy carrot growing in the dirt. Choo, zap! A bolt of blue lightning shot out of his nose and turned the carrot into bright blue. A bunny hopped over, sniffed the carrot, and wrinkled his nose. Yuck! I can't eat a blue carrot. It looks like a frozen icicle. Charlie sat down on a rock and started to cry. I ruined everything. The grass is red, the sun is purple, and the carrots are blue. Just then, his mom came out. She saw the mess and started to laugh. "Oh, Charlie, you just need to sneeze backwards to fix it." "Sneeze backwards?" Charlie asked. "How do I do that?" "Just say choo in reverse," his mom said. Charlie took a deep breath. He looked at the red grass, the purple sun, and the blue carrot. He puffed up his chest and shouted, "Ooh-cha!" Whoosh! A magical rainbow wind blew through the garden. The grass turned back to lovely green. The sun turned back to bright yellow. The carrot turned back to crunchy orange. The cow mooed happily. The bird took off his sunglasses, and the bunny crunched his lunch. Charlie smiled. No more sneezing for me today. But then he looked at his mom and felt one last little tickle. Choo, poof. He sneezed pink glitter all over his mom. She laughed and gave him a big, sparkly hug.